On a cream-colored background, big bold text in brown color appears and reads, Sightless Living. All content copyright symbol, 2021-2022, Sightless Living. All rights reserved. Then disappears. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Scene opens to Anita of Sightless Living sitting at a table against a cream-colored background. She is wearing a blue and white seersucker suit, navy blue pocket square, white camisole underneath, dangling silver earrings with navy blue stones, navy blue sunglasses, navy blue lipstick, white stretchy headband, and white scrunchies pulling her hair back into a ponytail.
Hi everyone, Anita here from Sightless Living. I have recently been asked how to clear the device cache. That's C-A-C-H-E, not C-A-S-H. How you clear your device's cache to get rid of all those extra files from surfing the internet and opening and closing apps and doing this and that and whatever else you do on your phone. Pictures, TikTok, pop lock, that's a joke. So every time you open and close your phone and work with it, you have temporary cache, which stores those temporary files. And sometimes your phone can get a little backed up. It needs a little clean out. I worked with an individual who had their phone, never closed anything. They didn't even know how to close their apps. They had every app open. They had all kinds of things on their phone, and it got so bad, VoiceOver wouldn't even talk. And sometimes my phone gets like that too, where VoiceOver will be talking and it would just stop mid-sentence and you'll hear like a little pop sound, and that's when I know, okay, I need to clear off my phone as well. I'm going to show you quickly how to do that. You want to open your settings app. Some people call it Apple settings, but actually it's the native app that comes on your phone. I have my phone here. It's an Apple 13 Pro Max and it's on. I'm going to do a single finger swipe to the right on my home screen till I find settings.
Settings, 2 new items.
I'm going to do a single finger double tap.
Settings.
Now I am in the settings menu. I am going to do a single finger swipe to the right until I hear the word Safari.
Safari button.
Okay, I have Safari here and I will do a single finger double tap to go in there.
General heading.
Now from Safari, I am going to do a single finger swipe to the right until I hear clear history and web data or something like that.
Selected tab bar button. Single tab. Landscape allow webs open links.
It's an extensive list.
About Safari and private. Clear history and website data button.
Okay, here we are. Clear history and website data. So I'm going to do a single finger double tap.
Alert. Clearing will remove history, cookies, and other browsing data. History will be cleared from devices signed into your iCloud account.
Before you do a single finger double tap, you want to make sure you want to do this step. If you clear your history, it will also clear your open tabs that are in your browser window. If you are okay with that, you can just go ahead and clear your history and web data.
Clear history and data button.
I don't want to do that, so I'm not going to single finger double tap because I am still working on some things and I have my notes open, yada, yada, yada. So I am going to do another single finger swipe to the right.
Cancel button.
And hit the cancel button.
Clear history and website data button.
And then I'm going to get out of this screen since I already showed you how to go to Safari, look for clear history and web data. Since you already have that under your belt, I'm going to go to the top left-hand corner of my screen and find the back button.
Settings, back button.
I'm going to do a single finger double tap.
Settings, clear history and web Safari button.
And now I'm back to my Safari menu.
Settings, heading.
I'm in the settings menu and I want to close out the settings. So I'm going to do a single finger, slide my finger up to the top and get the 3 popping sounds. Now I could do it on the left or right of the screen, depending upon if you're left-handed or right-handed. I'm going to go ahead and swipe my finger up.
App switcher. Settings active. Swipe up with 3 fingers to close the app.
Okay, so that's how you can close your apps for any of the apps that are still open. Like I mentioned, that individual had every app open since they got the phone. So if you have apps open, it's a good thing to close them. I usually make sure all my apps are closed before I go to bed. This way I start fresh every morning. I don't like to leave them open because that can happen. You could have so many apps open that your phone starts getting cluttered. So I will just, instead of doing the 3-finger swipe up, I'm just going to do a single finger flick up to close it.
Close settings.
Then I do a single finger double tap.
Closing settings. App switcher. Notes. Current action.
And it closes.
Close notes. Active.
Like I
Swipe up
mentioned
with 3 fingers
earlier,
to close the app.
I am still working in my Notes app, so let me just do a scrub, which is a 2-finger, and you make like a back and forth. So I go from the left to the right, back to the left to the right, in like a little Z pattern. I don't know if anyone's seen the letter Z, but that's what you do. So that's called a scrub gesture, and that's what I'm going to do to clear that.
Settings. 2 new items.
We're back at our home screen, and you just learned how to clear your cache. If you like informational videos like this one, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you'll be alerted each time a video is uploaded. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for joining me today. Bye.
Anita waves goodbye. See now changes to a cream-colored background. Rolling credits appear in bold brown-colored text scrolling upward from the bottom of the screen. Text reads, Anita, hostess/visionary, Mountaineer Videography, TM symbol, videographer/editor. The rest of the text may be read in the description box below. Thanks for watching.